Alright, welcome to the woods. It's also known as the jungle. So this is like a five mile walk, but you know what? It's fine, just feel the burn. Follow me! Let's go. Let's get it. Alright guys, we've been hiking for about an hour, so I think it's a good time that we take a break. Yeah.
Where's Aiden?
Oh shoot, where is it? Dude.
Where's Aiden?
Has anyone seen Aiden?
We can't find him anywhere.
Let's get the drone in the air.
Good idea.
Yes.
But also we need to call the authorities.
Oh, you call the cops?
Yes.
Step over the tree. You're kind of under a tree. In the forest more? Yeah, it's too far. Come back.
I found him.
How can you tell?
I see his jacket.
Here he is, I found him, guys.
What
Come on, guys.
What happened?
What happened? I hurt my ankle.
Oh no, that's terrible.
You think it's broken? Probably.
Don't worry, there's